Warning, be very careful. Don't copy the video.
Just don't do it.
You wanna eat it?
You will be in big trouble.
No! No!
Eat it, bud.
By Buster.
How I am Chief Light Switch. I have something very important to tell you. 2 tricks incandescent light bulbs are never true. Oh my God.
No! He got on my finger! He got my finger! Hi! How are you today? I'm sad because I heard that Romeo's old feelings of desire are dying.
There's Cody Knox and TJ.
What? Who is that? I already showed you.
There's Cody Knox and TJ.
So get over it!
What do you want me to do?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, poopy.
It's not safe.
It's not fair. Hey, my alright.
It's no good.
Reminds me of Peanut Bun.
No! No!
Peanut Bun. Don't hug me, Will.
Okay, back to the interview.
Go.
Hi. Welcome to Good Morning with Brand.
Guys.
Hey, people in the back, shut up!
Now, go in,
Lies!
search and find the file.
Hands.
And when you find it, you can.
Give me the gun.
Really?
Yes.
So get over it!
Now, this is Mr. Bob, the plastic thing. Mr. Bob
I can't find it. Okay, there he is.
is here to the interview today.
Well, hello, Mr. Bob. Pleased to meet you.
Huh?
Oh, sorry, Mr. Bob. I'm so sorry about that.
Cameraman. Huh? Stop.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Mr. Bob. What is your
You look like a marshmallow.
daily routine?
Do not know.
You had the camera on me. You messed it up. Delete that.
Okay.
Okay, back to the interview.
On special occasions, I celebrate people's birthday. No, Mr. Bob, what is your regular daily routine?
Well, Marshall Rogers here attends David Brainerd Christian School on a regular basis, usually 5 times a week unless illness or some sort of school break.
No, Mr. Bob, what is your regular daily routine? It can also be called uploading.
Just do your job.
Thank you,
Will.
thank
Hey!
Okay.
Well, if you were to follow me for a couple of days, you would find out that I'm a very lively little guy, and I go to parties and eat chicken with trans fat.
Trans fat, no good. Trans fat is no good.
Hey, dummy! I like to drink a Pepsi every once in a while. Oh. So, Mr. Bob, what else do you do daily? Well, when I wake up, I like to brush my teeth. take a shower. Okay, well, Mr. Bob, it seems like your life is very extraordinary. What's it like being white? It's good!
Okay! Liquid 5.
Well, that's stupid.
Apple pie.
I ain't dummy.
Me too.
Me, 3.
Ah.
Stupid.
5.
I don't like it.
Me too.
Yellow. Mr. Safety. Like a marshmallow.
Would you like a marshmallow?
So get over it. Please tell me how to get over it. Oh well. I already showed you, so get over it. Wow. If I feel good. It's good. I roll in dirt.
That's right.
Okay, Mr. Bob, you're a maniac. Okay, from what I understand, you sell Pepsis for a living? Oh, yes, you have a nerd. You had the camera on me. Yeah, poopy. It's not fair. It's not fair. Stop.
What do you want me to do?
Just do your job. Nerd. Good job. You messed it up.
Mr. Bob, the talking plastic thing. That looks like a
Cameraman.
marshmallow.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us today with Good Morning Brant with our visitor, Mr. Bob, the white-looking marshmallow liker. Thanks. Bye. Thanks for watching. See ya. Thank you. And thank you.